So what are the biggest problems that you perceive?
Well, the first problem is, of course, the state of the environment and the climate, and that started around 1970s when people started realizing that we're getting rid of nature and that cannot continue forever. So we are currently at the stage when it's even more obvious, and there is even political and business action in that direction. So that's one problem, obviously. The second problem is that we messed up technology management. We had amazing progress in 19th century. We had great progress in the first half of the 20th century, and we faced a wall after the space program and after the atomic project. So we don't know how to restart it so that we get technologies that we need and science that we need fast enough. So that's the second problem. And the third problem is that we're still dying and aging, and that is still unsolved. And that's important for every one of us, for our loved ones. So immortality, it's obviously a very important direction. And then number four, I would say, our intelligence. We are currently developing artificial intelligence, and a lot of money goes into that. And we are kind of forgetting about our own intelligence and how we're going to compete, not in terms of jobs, but in terms of influence on this planet. If we create artificial intelligence, which is 1,000 times smarter than humans, then the question is, why don't we make ourselves 1,000 times smarter? And nobody is working on that. So that's one area of focus for me personally. And number five, I would say there is one particular technology, the molecular machines, molecular robots, atomically precise manufacturing, no matter how you call it, the original nanotechnology vision from Eric Drexler, which was forgotten 10 years ago, and everybody stopped paying attention to that. And that is not really a problem per se, but it's an omission, because nanotechnology would help us solve all other problems. Like medical nanorobots would help us with the deaf problem. Nanorobots would solve all our material and energy needs, solving the climate and the environment problems. And it's also potentially useful because we would get faster computers, and brain-computer interfaces would be useful for intelligence augmentation. But nobody is working on that, and so that's something for me to solve as well.